Welcome back to our channel Medina Edits. As of late November 2025, the situation in Gaza is defined by a fragile ceasefire that is currently transitioning between its first and second phases. While major combat operations have paused in many areas, the humanitarian crisis remains catastrophic, and tensions are extremely high due to reported violations and the onset of winter. Here is the detailed update. 1. Ceasefire status, Phase 1 ending, current state, A as brokered ceasefire, which came into effect in October 2025, is currently holding but is described by observers as fragile. Phase transition, the conflict is nearing the end of Phase 1 of this agreement. This phase focused on a partial withdrawal of Israeli forces, the release of hostages, and the exchange of bodies. Negotiations, diplomats from Qatar, Egypt, Turkey, and the US are currently meeting in Cairo to negotiate the implementation of Phase 2. This next phase is expected to include a more permanent end to hostilities and the deployment of international forces. 2. Military and security situation. The Yellow Line, the Gaza Strip is currently divided by a demarcation known as the Yellow Line. West of the line, Israeli forces have withdrawn from these areas, allowing some freedom of movement for Palestinians. East of the line, Israeli forces remain deployed in over 50% of the territory, mostly border areas and buffer zones. Access to these zones is prohibited, and strikes continue to be reported near this line. International Stabilization Force, the UN Security Council has adopted Resolution 2803, which authorized the creation of a temporary International Stabilization Force (ISF) for Gaza. Countries like Indonesia have reportedly offered to contribute peacekeepers, though this force has not yet deployed. 3. Humanitarian crisis. The humanitarian situation has worsened despite the ceasefire, with UN agencies describing the economic collapse as unprecedented. Winter crisis, heavy rains and cold weather have begun, putting millions of displaced people living in tents at severe risk of flooding and hypothermia. Health and food, malnutrition remains high among children. UNRWA and other agencies report that while some aid is entering, it is insufficient to meet the needs of the population. The healthcare system is largely non-functional, with only a fraction of hospitals partially operating. Economy, unemployment in Gaza has reportedly hit 80%, and the local economy is virtually non-existent. 4. Hostages and prisoners. Recent exchanges. In the last week of November, there have been exchanges of human remains. Israel returned approximately 15 Palestinian bodies to Gaza, while Hamas returned the remains of Israeli hostages. Outstanding issues. The return of remaining living hostages is a key condition for fully moving into Phase 2 of the ceasefire deal. 5. Political Future. Board of Peace. The peace plan includes the establishment of a Board of Peace (BOP) to act as a transitional administration for Gaza. This body would oversee reconstruction and governance, taking over administrative duties from Hamas, though the specifics of its composition are still being finalized.